Welcome. Today we explore the determination of the body, moving from molecular multiplicity to the social field through the lens of Deleuzian economics. This presentation builds on concepts from Deleuzian Economics 22, examining how bodies are formed, constrained, and empowered. The ultimate purpose of academic inquiry is to grasp the identity of the body. According to 1000 Plateaus, this identity is defined by two distinct modes of individuation and abstraction. We must distinguish between the fixed grid of rigid forms, the drafted geometry of the molar, and the fluid topography of molecular flows, which operate as a dynamic, rhizomatic network. Let's break down these two modes. Molar individuation extracts a formalized entity, a person, a thing, or a substance, resulting in an embodied, actualized state defined by clear qualitative and quantitative metrics. In contrast, molecular individuation produces a haecceity, or thisness. This form remains unformed and non-subjective, evading concrete naming to instead be defined by its connections and capacities. This leads us to the architecture of thisness, where we see that singularity is equal to multiplicity. A multiplicity is formed by connecting heterogeneous elements, while a haecceity transcends the binary of the one and the many. It is this unique configuration that allows us to understand the body as an active, unfolding process. We redefine the body not by a fixed essence, but by its capacities. A body is determined by what it can do, its virtual capacity to affect and be affected. When we focus on these outward flows and the membrane of interaction, we reach a precise cognition of how a body exists within a system. How does this affect the body? We look at the mechanics of affection in 3 steps. First, the pure affection or unformed potential. Second, the specific assemblage or the contextual framework of an encounter. And third, the represented affection, which is the actualized result of that process. The central conclusion of schizoanalysis is that the social body follows these exact same mechanics. Just as the singular body moves from pure affection to represented affection via an assemblage, the social body moves from desiring production to social production through social conditions. Productive desire acts as the differential element that links the individual to the collective. We conclude with this fundamental insight from Anti-Oedipus: the social field is immediately traversed by desire. It is the historically determined product of desire itself. Ultimately, there is only desire and the social, and nothing else. Thank you.